Houston homeowners, do you need to replace that roof before you sell? Maybe, but don't go spend $15,000 just because somebody's cousin said you needed to. Gina Thayer here with eXp in the Houston and surrounding area. In Houston, roof age does matter because buyers aren't just thinking about inspections, they're also thinking about insurance. An older roof may affect insurance options or lack thereof, or premiums, depending upon the property and the insurance company. And there's another wrinkle. Homeowners should understand whether their own policy provides either replacement cost coverage or actual cash value coverage for the roof. They are not the same thing, so look into that. Before listing, I want to know, how old is the roof? What's its actual condition? Are there any active problems? And how could the roof affect the buyer's ability to insure that property? Then we decide whether replacing it makes more financial sense or not. Sometimes replacing the roof helps the house sell, and sometimes offering a credit makes a whole lot more sense. And sometimes the roof is perfectly fine and you need to leave the poor thing alone. Don't renovate by panic. Renovate by strategy and numbers.